Hello and welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio with Sarah. Today I want to play with some gems. You can buy these in like an 11 billion pack on Amazon. I think it's like 55,000 gems or some ridiculous. Mine came with 5 of these. They've all got different colors. You've got kind of like your neons, anyway, all kinds of colors. And then it came with some little curved tweezers to help you get them out of there and a wax pencil. This is awesome for picking them up. I have only tested these out once actually, but I did at least decide which color I want to do with the mani. I picked this light pink here. You could do black, you could do, anyway, whatever you want, obviously. So, and actually, I noticed a cool trick when I had a bunch like stick to the lid. And so instead of, you could pull them out with this, but look at that, they stick to the lid. So let's roll with that. So I want to add little gems in the bow, which I got that idea from Stacy. So thank you, Stacy, in one of her, I think, live nails in her Facebook group. And you can use any liquid, clear top coat. This is Don't Be Jealous. And you're just going to put a little dot. It's like the glue. And then grab your gem. Just going to stick that down right there. Yeah. Now is a good time to play with gems because it's almost the weekend. I'm not going to be at work. I'm allowed to wear like nail polish and I think gel nails, but not other stuff. And so I never want to, break that rule. I don't want them to take away my color streak. So I thought it would be fun to add a little like design on the fishnet here. So I guess that's what you'd call that. I could probably put hopefully it dries slow enough. I want to do 3 of them. So let's put some there and some there. I can just stick them down. Yeah, I tested these out on a mani that I already had on when I first got them, just so I knew how to do them. So when I decided I wanted to apply them, I wasn't totally noob to it. I guess you could do them in a line. Maybe we'll do that on the other side. Okay, and then let's add for the thumb. Anyway, so I only wore them like overnight, and the gems didn't drive me too crazy. So hopefully, depending on how you are, this may not be your jam, but I do want to play with them because they're fun, and we'll see. Maybe it'll be something I like or not. I don't know. Let's do the other hand. That felt like a big dollop there. Yeah, again, off work, weekend coming. So I can do some a little bit more crazy things. Okay, so what did I say? I wanted to do the line this way, right? The line of gems on here. I'll have to link these gems down in the comments. Oh, perfect. I got 3 right there. I want to say they're the ones Stacy has linked or had linked at some point. And yeah, they're pretty inexpensive and kind of smushing them around to where I want them. Inexpensive for, gems for days, unless, oh man, if you look up the listing, they do like the example pictures sometimes. Some of them are like the whole nail, which you could do. Yeah, that would be fun. That would take forever. They did like whole designs with the gems. I've also seen them, let's see. Let's just flip it over again. That worked out really well. Versus getting the tweezers out. I've seen some people find them at the Dollar Tree, which I have finally. I check every time I go. So I have some from there too. Oops. Why not? Doesn't seem to want to stick. Let's make sure we got a good dollop there. That may or may not be why, but okay, flip over a little buddy. There we go. There we go. Don't think the Dollar Tree ones I got came with. I wish I had them right here to show you. They were like a half probably for $1.25 or whatever. I don't think it came with any of the tools though. So, but who knows? You might find that somewhere in the makeup, or I don't know. What else is a wax pencil used for? I'm not a super trying to put the I'm like, where's the thing that this goes to? Oh my gosh, I'm not very makeup savvy. I don't wear a lot of it. I definitely like this a lot better. That's the direction I should have done them. I wonder if it's too late to move them. Should we try it? I guess we only need to move 2 of them. Let's do the side one. I'm not going to mess with it. I don't want to. I just barely put this. This is Kisses and Corsets that I have on. Oh my gosh, obsessed. It was a color play set. It is so cute. Like, and this glitter, it's like magical. Anyway, and just such a cute design. So I'm obsessed. Anyway, that was fun to add gems. I'm gonna test it out, see how I like them. Those are really subtle. So you could pick a more contrasting color potentially, but we'll try it out. I'm excited. Or at least get the lid back on. Thanks for hanging out with me while we tried this out today, and I hope to catch you guys out on the next video. See you later.